How to send an audio file on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send an audio file on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before starting, since Instagram does not let you send audio files directly in the chat, you can share them using the Google Drive. So for that, first we will just open the Google Drive. And now here, once you're inside the Google Drive, you can just tap on the plus button which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here from this section, you can just tap on upload. And once you tap on it, it will take you to the file section where you will see all your files. Now from there, you can simply select the audio files. And here, once you have selected, you can just upload them. And now here, once you have finished uploading your audio file on the drive, what you can do is you can just search for that particular file that you have just uploaded. Now here, once you've found that file, you can just tap on the three dot icon just beside that file name. And after that, you can just tap on copy link option. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just go back and open the Instagram app. Now here, once you're inside the Instagram app, just tap on the chat icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the chat section, you can just tap on any chat. Now here, once you're inside the chat, you can just paste the link that you have copied before and send it to that particular person through Instagram. And that's it. That's how you can send an audio file on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.